In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge not printing. First, let's start by restarting Edge in your printer. This is a simple yet effective step that can resolve many issues. First, close Microsoft Edge completely. You can do this by clicking the X at the top right corner of the window. Make sure to check your taskbar as well, ensuring no Edge processes are still running. This action is important because it clears any temporary glitches that may be causing the printing issue. Next, turn your printer off. Locate the power button and press it. Once the printer is off, wait a few seconds. This brief pause allows any lingering tasks in the printer's memory to clear. After a few moments, turn the printer back on. Watch for the lights to indicate it's powering up, and once it's ready, reopen Edge. Now try printing again. This step often resolves the issue, giving you a fresh start. Next, let's check the Edge print settings. Open Edge again if it's not already open. Once it's up, you need to access the printing menu. Press Ctrl and P together on your keyboard. This keyboard shortcut brings up the print dialog, which is essential for checking your settings. Now take a moment to ensure the correct printer is selected from the drop-down menu. Choosing the right printer is crucial, especially if you have multiple printers connected. If the wrong one is selected, it could lead to confusion and failures in printing. As you check the settings, also see if the print preview loads properly. This preview is vital because it shows you exactly what will be printed. If the preview is blank or shows an error, there may be an issue with the document or a setting in Edge. Next, make sure that the paper size and orientation are correct. Sometimes having the wrong paper size can prevent a document from printing. For example, if your document is set to a 4 but your printer only supports letter size, it won't print. After verifying all these settings, click Print. This action initiates the printing process, and if everything is correctly set up, your document should print without any issues. By following these steps, you are ensuring that you address the most common reasons for printing failures in Microsoft Edge. Each of these actions builds on the last, so they work together to help you achieve a successful print. Remember, if you encounter any error messages, take note of them. They can provide clues about what needs to be fixed. If you continue to have issues, consider checking for updates in Edge. Keeping software updated is essential as it often includes fixes for known bugs. You can find the update option in the Edge settings menu. Regular updates help maintain compatibility with your printer and ensure you have the best performance. After going through these steps, you should feel more confident in troubleshooting printing issues with Microsoft Edge. This process not only helps you fix the current problem, but also equips you with skills for future issues. Should these steps not resolve your printing problem, further investigation may be needed. Don't hesitate to reach out to support or check the manufacturer's website for additional guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to printing smoothly in Microsoft Edge.